Now let's go ahead and see how we can handle strings in Python. To handle strings, and this is what we will type print, and we put the string of letters in a quotation mark. So let me see, I have here WhatsApp. So put string, print values, and run. We have WhatsApp. Now you can use both single quotes and you can use double quotes in Python. The reason why we use double quotes here is because if we put a single quote here and we run it, now it's going to be WhatsApp with a single quote. That's WhatsApp with Python. But if we are to use single quote outside, then we use double quote inside. That's how you ensure that you don't make any mistakes. So if what you are writing in string is going to have double quote in a quotation mark inside, then you put single quote outside. If it's going to have a single quote inside, then you put double quote outside.